Welcome to Simply Naturally Simi. I am going to show you how I moisturize my hair and get it into a quick beehive style. I start off by spraying my hair with water. I rub the water in and then I go on and add some leave-in conditioner on my hair. Because my hair is low porosity, meaning that it loses moisture and quickly and doesn't accept moisture easily, I rub my leave-in conditioner in to make sure that I'm working it into the hair in order to encourage my hair to absorb the leave-in conditioner. Once that is in, I add my wild growth hair oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This oil will nourish my hair. If I don't have this oil, I normally go for extra virgin olive oil. Once that is in, I go ahead and add my raw shea butter. Okay, once that's in, I'll proceed to style my hair. I've got bobby pins to enable me to pin my hair down. I'll let you watch the video. Do like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy!